Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwali 2021. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a typical Bengali Ashtami look. So if that is what interests you, then let's get started. I started with a clean face and then I moved on with the My Glam Pose HD foundation in the shade Golden Honey. Then I would be blending it with a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Nykaa and it is such a beautiful blender. Then I would move on with the My Glam Pose HD foundation in the shade Walnut to contour my face. For the contour, I applied on my cheekbone, on my forehead, on my nose and also on my jawline. Then with the angular brush, I would blend it evenly. For the brows, I would be using the My Glam Stay Defined Brow Powder. This is my absolute favorite brow powder. For the eyes, I would be using this beautiful transition shade in the crease area of my eyes and drag it towards the inner corner. Then I would move on with a beautiful rusty dark burgundy shade to deepen that area out, followed by a dark kajal to tightline my waterline. Kajal is a must have when it comes to Bengali makeup look. Using a flat eye brush and a dark blue shade, I would be blending with the kajal to create a reverse cat eye look, followed by curling my lashes and applying lots and lots of mascara. Finally, go on with a bright red lipstick to finish this typical Bengali look. Add some golden jhumkas, some bangles, a bindi, and there you have it, a typical Bengali Ashtami look. I would be uploading another video wherein I would show you how to drape your sari like a typical Bengali woman. So stay tuned for that video and do let me know in the comment section below how you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos as I would be uploading video every single day. If you like this one, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I'm going to see you in my next one.